Hey guys, welcome back to Sassy in Real Life. So tonight is Friday night and I am officially in my cozy stay-at-home era. I stopped by Whole Foods on my way back and grabbed some fresh flowers because honestly, this is just my little treat to myself at the end of the week. I actually cut up a supermarket bag to wrap them myself. I repurpose everything I can. Nothing beats the simple therapy of putting your own bouquets together on a Friday evening, and it's like my little treat to myself after the week. Adding a little fresh energy to my bathroom space. It's the small, intentional details for me, the ultimate soft luxury routine to officially start the weekend. Okay, so after the flowers, I got straight into cooking because tonight I am making braised short ribs from scratch. So I actually seasoned these the night before with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne, and letting them sit overnight makes such a huge difference in the flavor, so please do not skip that step. First thing I do is sear them in my Caraway pot, and this step is non-negotiable because the crust you get from searing is where all the flavor comes from. After I pull the ribs out, I build my braised base right in the same pot, so I add in my carrots, whole garlic cloves, fresh rosemary, and fresh thyme. Then I add just a tiny bit of cornstarch to help thicken the sauce and give it that glossy restaurant-style finish. I also add in my beef broth at this stage, which is what really deepens the flavor of the whole braise. You want a good amount in there so the ribs are fully submerged and have enough liquid to braise low and slow. Now this next step is the one people get nervous about, but you are going to pour almost a full bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon right into this pot, and I promise you it is the right decision because the wine becomes the braised liquid and it is everything. Then I put the lid back on and she goes low and slow for about 2.5 to 3 hours. While the ribs are braising, I made a quick garlic bok choy on the side in my Caraway. Add in a little fresh cracked black pepper on top. Love keeping these little Amazon kitchen finds handy. I just heat some oil, add minced garlic, add red chili flakes, lay the bok choy in, season it, add a little soy sauce at the end for that gloss, and it is done in about 5 minutes. I also made jasmine rice, but I cook mine in chicken broth instead of water. Friday night dinner is officially served, and I am so proud of this one. electric salt and pepper grinder, drawer spice rack, glass spice jars, and caraway pots are from Amazon. Good morning, it is Saturday and I'm heading to the Glam Parlour to get my hair done. I am so excited for this appointment because I have been waiting on it for weeks. So the first thing my stylist Ayana does is a steam shampoo and deep conditioner treatment. You can also see my new growth here, and I love seeing it because it means my hair is healthy and thriving. She colored my bundles from Pretty Proper Hair to blend with my previous color, and the match is just incredible. After that, she puts in the cornrow base, and these braids have to be so flat and precise because everything sits on top of them. And she also puts a hair net over the braids to protect my hair and keep the tracks secure before the sew-in. Then we do a roller set, and I know it adds time, but this is what gives you that big bouncy volume, so it is always worth it. For reference, this is what my last style looked like. She did a short style 2 months ago, and today we are building on that. And this is the finished look, and I am so happy with what she delivered. I will drop Glam Parlour's information in the description so you can book with them and tell them Tracy from Sassy and Real Life The Edit sent you. Hey there, your girl is done. How she looking? How she looking? Hey, how she looking? She looking curled. Okay, what the kids doing? So, time to hit the streets with my man. Go home, take a shower. Said I had some shades in the car. Definitely check out this shade that I purchased from Amazon. How's she looking? Okay, so I am back home now, and you already know I cannot just sit down after a productive day, so I got straight back in the kitchen for dinner. Tonight I am making stewed chicken, and this is one of those meals that just feels like home to me every single time. And I also want to point out something really quick. I am handling this pan with no oven mitt because my Caraway cookware handles and lids are temperature controlled so they stay cool even when the pan is hot. That is not something every cookware set does, and it is honestly one of my favorite things about this set. I've mentioned the link to the same set I use in the description below. Stew chicken meal consists of 6 to 8 wings, seasoned with sazon, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. There is rosemary, thyme, and cherry tomatoes in it with chicken broth, which just makes the whole thing so rich and flavorful. Okay, so the next day I made one stop, and that stop was IKEA because I have been wanting to reorganize my pantry ever since I moved, and today is finally the day we make it happen. I spent way too long in that aisle looking at everything, and I went with the glass jars with bamboo lids and some plastic jars for the pantry. They look so clean and cohesive, and I am obsessed with them. Now for the cereal, I am using these plastic containers with the white airtight lids. And these ones specifically have a built-in pour spout, which is absolutely genius for cereal because you just tip and pour and there is no mess. Fill this glass jar with the linguine and fill this glass jar with the malfidane. And now the glass jars are getting their lasagna pasta. I want to address is that I am officially retiring this pasta container set that I got from Amazon because it has genuinely served me so well, but I am upgrading to the glass jars now so everything looks cohesive. This set is still in my storefront if you want it because it really is a great option. This level of organization is the goal. Once everything has a label in a designated spot, it's honestly so much easier to maintain. This is the kind of Sunday reset that just makes the whole next week feel more manageable. Okay guys, that is literally my whole weekend. Flowers, cooking, hair, and getting my pantry together. And I am so satisfied with how everything turned out. If you want any of the products I used, they are all linked down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps me so much. And if you're new here and you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I post lifestyle, cooking, home, and beauty content, so there is always something new. And I want to know, are you more of a stay in and cook Friday person or a go out person? Drop it in the comments because I feel like this says a lot about a person. I will see you in the next one. Bye.